Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name's Tash and I do a lot of beauty related videos. So today I am going to be doing a demon look, like a she-devil type thing for part of my Halloween series. So if you're interested in seeing how that's done, then keep watching. Also, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's get on with it. So, firstly, I'm going to be taking a red paint. I'm going to use a foundation brush and just cover my whole face with that, including my eyebrows. Again, as I've said in previous videos, you can glue down your eyebrows, but with face paint being such a thick consistency, I choose not to, just personal preference. As you can see, I'm avoiding the hairline a bit, just because I'm going to be wearing a wig anyway, so it doesn't really matter too much. Yellow face paint, then I'm going to do my highlights with it. So under the eye we're going to put a bit of yellow, which obviously with the red will blend into an orange colour. On the nose and a bit on the forehead too. And a little bit on the chin. Taking a damp sponge and just blending it over that, just to diffuse it more into the skin. Lunatic Cosmetic Labs Mystifying, Mattifying, High Definition Micro Finish Press Powder, just to set all over this face. I'm then going to take a set of demon horns, taking a cotton ball and unraveling it. I'm going to place it about there. So I'm just covering that whole section there with the liquid latex and wrapping the ball around. Then just blending it in with more latex. Shove your horn in the hole. Some latex around the outer edges of it. And just stick it down with another cotton ball just to secure it in place. And you can smooth that out with your finger with some latex. Okay, so while you're waiting for those to both dry, you can get on with your contouring. Using a black eyeshadow. Add some highlights, Blood of My Enemies from Revolution Beauty, and this stuff stains, so just be aware of that. I suggest, if you're going to blend this with a brush, to use a brush with dark bristles. That way the staining won't matter as much. It does stain the skin, but it should be okay considering we've got the base of paint underneath. For my lips, I'm going to take Succubus from the Black Rose Cosmetics line. Going to take a bit of Wednesday from Pretty Zombie Cosmetics. Then I'm going to blend it in with my finger. I'm going to take a little bit more of succubus in the center. So now I'm going to take a bit of macabre, which is a beautiful red shade, and just go along this black, just to get rid of the harshness of it a bit. Now I'm going to take some black eyeshadow on a flat brush and pack that all over the lid. Also bringing that underneath the eye. So this eyeshadow is the Unpleasant Dreams from the Elvira palette. I've used a bit more of Blood of My Enemies just to blend that contour out a bit because I don't like how harsh it's looking. So we're just going to take that foundation brush again and the red paint and paint these. I'm then going to take some black paint just to create some more depth. Take a black eyeliner, fill in your waterline. Mascara and lashes. Going to be using these Lash Exotic lashes.